Now we'll talk about Willowood India, which has been based in India since 2006 and has worked alongside Indian agrochemical formulators, distributors and farmers to provide a wide range of top-quality crop protection products. Have a look on this report. Willowood India is the leading manufacturer and supplier of agrochemicals. Willowood India has been based in India since 2007 and has worked alongside Indian agrochemical formulators, distributors and farmers to provide a wide range of top-quality crop protection products. Within this short period of time, the company is able to make a strong presence in the Indian agrochemical industry and put the company among the top distribution companies in India, reaching a size of 1,000 crores within 8 years of its inception.
We have basically 3 units in Barodara and 1 GLP R&D centers. All plants are automized, having the capacity to produce all sort of new generation formulations like CS, SC, WDG, DF, ZW, ZC. You can name it any formulation, we can produce it.
The director and the top management team have the support of a strongly committed group of managers and staff across all its business activities. Willowood is an integrated solution provider for the agrochemical industry, committed to providing quality products along with the complete registration support, adhering to international standards to their customers by the implementation and maintenance of quality management system. Willowood India has an excellent team of agricultural and horticultural specialists who offer local know-how and support that assist in delivering the results Indian farmers demand for their long-term sustainability. Willowood India has its warehouse facilities for crop protection products in various regions in India with an extensive network in the key agricultural areas and is storing products closer to the farmers, enabling them to be on farm in the shortest possible time. The company not only develops generic options but also provides specialty formulations of world standards to match best quality parameters of the industry, along with complete registration support with their toxicity and chemistry studies done in the GLP accredited labs. It has been ranked amongst the fastest growing companies in the agrochemical space for the last 3 years in a row. The company is seeing expansion activities in manufacturing and research as well as introduction of several new products and initiatives in the crop protection products. The company has refreshed their corporate brand and is now embarking on a journey to build, strengthen and protect the brand as they capitalize on the market and business opportunities. Here we'll take another short break. Keep watching Emerging SME. We visited the magnificent research and development facility of Willowood India in Vadodara, where the managing director, Mr. Parikshit Mundra, told us about the company's growth and development strategy and vision for the future of the company. Have a look. Willowood India is based in India since 2007 and has been providing a vast variety of top quality crop protection products. So how has been this journey so far?
Willowood India was formed in 2007 with the guidance and advice of my uncle Mr. Vijay Mundra, who's based out of Hong Kong and who was already in this business since 1992. From a very humble beginning of 28 crores revenue in the first year, we ended last year at 748 crores. It has been a remarkable journey with minor ups and downs in the way.
In such a competitive industry, how difficult has it been for Willowood India not just to establish itself, but also to maintain a sustainable growth rate in a very short span of time? And what all were the challenges that you faced, and what strategies did you adopt in order to overcome all those challenges?
From the very beginning, we had always focused on the end customer requirements and to see ways and measures on how to plug the gap, if any, so that we can meet the farmer's requirements, gauge what he wants, and how best to serve and fulfill it. Other than that, our wide product portfolio including a wide gamut of insecticides, fungicides, herbicides, gave us a steady advantage over others. We also focused a lot on developing packaging which were world class and something which the market had not seen before, and the quality of our products which spoke for itself. And within a short period of 3 to 4 years, we started gaining market share over many other companies.
Willowood has certainly grown at a remarkable pace, even on being in such a capital intensive industry. So, how do you cope up with your capital requirement?
Being in a seasonal industry where your seasons are divided into Rabi and Kharif, and bulk of your sales coming, almost 65% of your sales coming in the first half of the year, that is between April to September. It has always been a very challenging part of this business. More so when we ended up setting up factories, setting up offices, setting up this R&D center. We are thankful to our bankers and also our CFO to have managed to scrape through this, and now today we are on a much strong footing, and we ensure that we plow back most of the accruals of this business back to the business in new areas of growth, in setting up new facilities, or in developing new products, or developing or in setting up factories in regions where we get certain benefits. For example, we have just finalized a land for setting up our fourth factory in Jammu, where we are supposed to get sizable excise benefits.
Willowood is among the top suppliers of agrochemical products to the Indian market. So, what is the major product range registered and marketed by the company?
Kavita, out of our total pie of agrochemicals, roughly 42% of the revenue comes from insecticides, 22% comes from herbicides, another 24% comes from fungicides, and balance is a mixture of other products. We have already registered close to 25 products for our local use, and we now realize that as and when the competition in the generic space heats up, so we have consciously gone in for filing our own patent combination products, and that is the whole idea behind setting up of this R&D center, so that the scientists here can develop and keep coming up with new products and new combinations for us, which not only gives us advantage in terms of getting more market share, but also helps in improving our bottom line.
Please tell us about the Willowood team that provides local know-how and support which assist you in delivering long-term sustainable results for farmers.
We are currently operating in close to 20 states out of the 30 states in the country. We employ 700 field support staff whose main job is to be present at the farmer level, to ensure our brand building at that level, and also to see that the agrochemicals are used in a correct way by the farmers. In almost all the states, we have our clinical vans which run across the length and breadth of every state. These clinical vans not only test the soil content for the farmers in terms of its pH and moisture and other ingredients, but from time to time also provides these farmers on guidance on their health issues or on their education issues, thus in an indirect way improving their livelihood.
Willowood provides specialty formulations of global standards to match the best quality parameters. How do you maintain quality control? And also tell us about the manufacturing and research and development facility of Willowood.
In Baroda, we have 2 manufacturing units and 1 export-oriented unit. We are already job working for world majors like DuPont and Sumitomo. So a large number of products which you see of DuPont and Sumitomo in India and in many of their Asian countries are either manufactured or packed here. We have ensured complete automation, which ensures that the formulation moves from one stage to the other in a closed form, which eliminates the possibility of it getting contaminated with any other product or chemical in the process. We have almost all the accreditations which are required for agrochemical facility, be it ISO 9001 or a 14001 or an ISO 18001. And for our R&D facility, we are shortly expecting that we will get the global accreditation, which is the GLP, which should come through by the month of March. Post that, all data generated from this facility would be accepted anywhere in the world.
Willowood has refreshed their corporate brand and is now embarking on a journey to build, strengthen and protect the brand as they capitalize on the market and business opportunities. With this, we come to the end of this episode. I will be back next week with the success stories of few other SMEs. Till then, goodbye and take care.